and welcome to Savor the Southwest. August 22nd is National Eat a Peach Day. Now you could just pick up a luscious ripe peach like this one and chew it in your mouth and enjoy it and have the juice slobber all over your chin. Or you could turn it into breakfast. So we're going to eat this peach, and what I like to do is you just slice a number of times around and around, and I'm slicing right down to the seed in the middle. And sometimes that happens. But see, all that nice juice, instead of running down your chin and making a mess, is running into my bowl. And then I get to really savor that juicy peach. And then that we've cut it around, let's see, would those be longitudes or latitudes? Anyway, then you cut it a couple more times. And then you get to lick your fingers at least. Because this peach was way ripe and perfect for National Eat a Peach Day. August 22nd. I wonder who came up with that day. Probably the Georgia Peach Council or somebody. There's a day for almost every food. There's a flan day. I have to look that up and get back to you guys and post a flan recipe about that. But see, now my peaches are in nice bite-sized pieces. And I'm going to put a nice big dollop of sour cream. 2 tablespoons are only XYZ calories. I forget what it is. 60 calories in 2 tablespoons. And if you're watching your carbs, it's 1 carb. So hey, but if you're watching your carbs, let's bump this up a notch and take those carbs away by adding something with fiber, like sunflower seeds. Because sunflower seeds are yummy and nutritious and full of all sorts of vitamins. And they are said to help fight tinnitus, whatever is in them. So I have to look that up too and get back to you guys. But here we go. I am going to eat a peach. I'm going to savor my peach. Thanks for watching Savor the Southwest.